Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves, and today I have an exciting makeup travel bag, or what's in my makeup travel bag video for you guys. I am about to head to Myrtle Beach, so I grabbed my Vera Bradley Hanging Travel Organizer, and you can actually find this on Amazon. They have a whole bunch of different prints, but this is like seriously the best way to travel for toiletries, makeup, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what I am bringing with me for a week at the beach, then keep watching. So like I mentioned, this is the Hanging Vera Bradley Organizer. So it does, when you open it, have a little hanger. This is perfect to kind of hang on a towel bar, hang on a dresser if there's like a bar or knob, things like that. And this is kind of where I keep all of my makeup, toiletries, all that kind of stuff. So the first pocket right here, I don't have anything in it yet, but in the back part, I keep my makeup brushes, and I have pulled them out. I'll share with you guys those. And then in the front kind of pocket of that is all these different little tiny pockets that I put my jewelry in. So I will be pulling those out soon. I just wanted to kind of share makeup and like face skincare in this video. If you're interested in like the toiletries and jewelry, things like that I put in here, let me know. But I do plan on doing a toiletries, what's in my toiletries bag for this trip as well. If y'all are interested in like body care, hair care kind of stuff, I'm bringing on the trip. But these are the makeup brushes that I will be taking. I am going to go ahead and wash them right after this video and get them drying to go in here. The first makeup brush is from Sigma. This is the large shader E60 brush, and I love this brush for just getting a one color kind of base color all over the lid from your eyebrow down to like the base of your lid. This is the best one and my favorite one to use for that. Another eyeshadow brush is this one. This is from e.l.f. It's their blending brush. And I love using this brush for getting into the crease or putting color like a little bit underneath the crease. This is my favorite brush. I actually have two of these. I'm only bringing one for the beach though. Then I have this little pencil guy. This is the Sigma Pencil E30 brush. And what I like doing specifically with this brush is topping the middle of my eye and the inner corner with like a highlight or like a brighter shade, just to kind of brighten up my eyes. So I've really liked doing that, especially with this pencil shade brush. So I'm making sure to bring that to the beach with me. And I think these two are the same. No, these are two different brushes. This is the Sigma E55 shading brush. And I like to apply color or an all over eyeshadow color with this onto my eyes. And then the other one, which looks pretty much exactly like it, maybe a little bit longer. This is the Coastal Scents BRC number 2. And I like to bring two of these when I go to the beach or travel anywhere, because I like to kind of switch up the colors. So sometimes I'll do like a pinky purple look, sometimes I'll do a blue. I definitely like to play with color when I'm traveling, and you'll see that from my eyeshadows I picked out. And then the last little eyeshadow brush is from Scone. This is their smudger brush, and it's just a really tiny precise brush that I like to kind of put in the outer corner for a darker shade or along the lash line. So that is my favorite one to use for that. Now getting into kind of my face brushes, I have my all over kind of powder brush. This is the Sigma Large Powder F30 brush. So you can see it's definitely big and round, and it's just easy to apply any kind of powder all over your face. For bronzer, I am bringing bronzer to the beach. This is the Sephora Powder Contour 52 brush. I'm not even sure they sell this brush anymore. If I can find links to any of these products or products that I mentioned in this video, I'll be sure to link them down below, but I like to just use this as a bronzer. Blush brush I will be bringing is the Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. And like I said, I do need to click these brushes. And then the last makeup brush is from Makeup Forever. This is my favorite. This is the 140 Wavy brush. And this is just my favorite highlight brush. It's so soft and just gets exactly where I want that highlighter. So I'll be washing those, like I said, and putting them in this back pocket. So this next pocket here is more of my like face skincare kind of items. In this pocket, it's empty, is where I'll put my toothbrush, my Intrinsics compressed sponge for washing my face, and I will put like toothpaste, that kind of stuff. So I kind of keep that stuff here. But this is kind of more kind of skincare stuff, other that aren't super big and bulky that need to go in a toiletry bag. So the first thing here is my face wash. This is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And I love using this to wash my face. It has a nice kind of peppermint scent. It froths up, foams up on my face, makes my face feel extremely clean. I just enjoy using this product. I have repurchased it and come back to it many times, so I am excited to bring that along with me. I also am bringing a scrub just to kind of help get any extra sunscreen off and all this kind of scrubby stuffness. But this is the Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub, and I've honestly only used this once. I opened it this past month. I enjoyed it. It wasn't my favorite. It wasn't like not bad, so I'm gonna bring this along on this trip and see how that goes. Face sunscreen, I love using the Coola Classic Sunscreen Unscented Moisturizer. This is SPF 30, and this just feels so nice, lightweight on your skin. It doesn't have a fragrance, and like having a fragrant like sunscreen is not what I'm about, especially if it smells like sunscreen. So this definitely does the job for me. I do have another one of these that I will have in my beach bag as well, but this is for my makeup bag, and you can see I'm getting to the depths of this, but I do love that stuff. And then moisturizers, I have the Coconut Water Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is just a lightweight gel moisturizer, no kind of high fragrance, anything like that. So I like using this daytime or nighttime, just to give my skin a nice, nourishing, refreshing moisturizer. It's a good moisturizer, I love it. And then eye cream, I'm using the Tatcha, the Silk Peony eye cream at the moment, and I'm really enjoying it. It's definitely a little bit more on the thicker side, but I am taking this along with me when I want an eye cream. I don't use it every night, so, but I wanted to make sure I had it. And then deodorant, I just picked this up from Amazon. My current one is getting to the depths, so I didn't want to bring back and be out of deodorant. So this is the Kapari Coconut Oil Deodorant. I really like this stuff. It says it's the beach phase. I don't know. I've used it before in the past. I really like it. Cruelty free, has a lot of natural ingredients, so that will be coming to the beach with me. Then now for what y'all are probably most excited for is the makeup. So for eye primer, I have been using my Milani eyeshadow primer in nude, and that will be going with me. For eyeshadows, this is like my go-to, I'm on vacation palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival, and this just has such pretty kind of eyeshadows. You have the blues, pinks, purples, some oranges, gold, silver, all that kind of stuff. So you could do a lot of fun looks with this. I've used this for like my New Orleans trip. I used this and took this with my last beach trip. Just a really good palette to have and play with while you're on vacation. I have my Tarte eyelash curler. Sticking with eyes, I have my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner. It's just my favorite. It is what is on one of these eyes today, but I am testing it against another eye. But I love this stuff, and it is waterproof. I don't find a lot of smudges, things like that, especially going to the beach. You want something a little bit more reliable, and I don't wear full face makeup to the beach. I'll just kind of wear a little bit, but this is definitely a need at the beach. Then I have the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eye Smudge Proof Volumizing Defining Mascara, and this is just kind of my current mascara. I also have the CoverGirl Clump Crusher in my car, and that will probably be my go-to. That one I know is waterproof and will do a good job, but I like to top this one with it. For face, I love my Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream SPF 35. I wear the shade Light. This is my favorite like tinted moisturizer BB cream. I've tried a couple. Also like the Rimmel one as well, but this one has SPF in it, and that's what I was kind of trying to keep in mind, especially going to Myrtle Beach and the beach, stuff like that. You want something that has a little bit more SPF just to kind of protect yourself, right? So I was going to bring my Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, but because that doesn't have SPF, I'm going to bring this with me. I do set my face every now and then with that moisturizer or BB cream with the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compacts Powder. and this is a brand new one. My other one is Getting to the Depths, so I knew I was going to probably finish that on this trip. So I am going to bring the new one with me. Have a bronzer here. I don't typically wear bronzer every day, but when I do, this is the only one I have right now. But this also is a waterproof bronzer. It is the Tarte Hotel Heiress bronzer, and this will be perfect for the beach, especially towards the end of summer where I'm a little bit darker, things like that. So excited for that one. Blush, I've been panning the Essence Mosaic blush, and all you need is pink. I will link my last update or intro up above, and that is currently where I'm at on that. So maybe I'll finish this during the beach trip, who knows, but that is the blush I'm currently wearing now and what I have been working on and will take with me. Highlight, the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This is just such an awesome drugstore highlighter. I love this. It's just easy to kind of throw in your bag. It is the highlight I'm wearing now, and I really like it, so it will be coming to the beach with me. Didn't even mention my concealer, Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this. This is the one I've been working on. I'm getting to the depths of it. I may finish it at the beach, who knows. I also have a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in my car, so I'll just kind of use both of those. Fragrance, I have a YSL Mon Paris fragrant here, perfume here, I was saying fragrant, but perfume here. This is in a Project Pan as well, and I just wanted a perfume that's spring summery to kind of close out summertime and have to refreshen up. And then we have lip products. So I have my Kula, this is the Lip Lux Sunscreen SPF 35. This is just a clear lip balm that it has SPF in it. So I love that it doesn't have like a super strong fragrance. It does have a small kind of fruity fragrance, but it smells good. So I like something like this. And then I have two kind of liquid lipstick and a lip, I don't know, is this a lip gloss? No, this is liquid lipstick as well. So this is my Bare Minerals Slay liquid lipstick, and I'm getting to the depths of this thing. And smells like chocolate. I love this stuff. This was one of those like throw onto an Ulta order and see if you like it, and I'm obsessed with it. Almost done with it, so I am bringing it with me. Liquid lipsticks are perfect to bring to the beach because they won't melt. And then this last one I got in a little Ulta freebie. This is the Tarte Sugar Rush Sugar Coat liquid lipstick in Cake Pop, so it's a little bit more pinky in tone than the Bare Minerals, but that is everything, and that is in my makeup bag that I am taking with me. I will share with you guys kind of what is in my toiletry bag for body care and hair care coming soon, so be sure to subscribe. Let me know what your favorite makeup items to take with you on vacation, especially to the beach, down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm